Hello H-Body fans. This is an update or a continuing update to the hood, which I decided to design up my own latch. As you can see, it is not factory by any means. It's a little piece that I machined up and have replaced. I took out the old latch system. I simply drilled the spot welds out and replaced it with the aluminum plate, and my simple little design that I came up with, which is a choke cable attached to a little bullet, which I'm going to show you right now. It just goes in and out, latches to this little bracket that I made right up there. And the reason I made this setup, I've never liked the latch where you have to drop it from a foot above and slam it down. Oh, half the time it doesn't work so good. And I shall observe how I do this. Bring the hood down. Simply close it. To latch it, you walk around, open the door, come in here. There's the choke cable release. I just push up. That latches it, and it's a very tight fit. The hood will not open. When you want to open it, you simply push down. I mounted it in the middle so that you can reach it from either side. Very simple design and works beautifully, and I am real happy with it. Very happy with it, as a matter of fact. And I kind of think it looks kind of cool the way I machined it up as a little wing. But anyway, that is the latest, and probably I am done with hood videos. Probably you guys are too. See you next time, next month.